Hi, this is Monique. So I'm just doing a quick update with this video on how my weekend is going. I'm actually finally reading this copy of Elle magazine that I got in the mail. I have a couple minutes to read up to a part where there's like an ad from Dolce & Gabbana, which is really cool. But basically I'm having a lazy day today. I went to the dollar store. This is me earlier on in the week at the studio. I went and picked up some awesome bubblegum ice cream at a local place called Two Scoops, which was really nice. And so this morning I'm just practicing my Japanese and doing some social media posts and stuff. This is me practicing kanji. And I'm going to be reading some Japanese books. This is me at the dollar store. This is what I picked up, which is really cute. A whole bunch of kind of stuff to write and practice in.
Isn't that cute? I got it at the dollar store and it goes with a bunch of my unicorn stuff as well.
Isn't the bag just cute? It's from Dollarama. It's like a shopping bag, but I can like put other stuff in it. It could be like a beach tote.
Here I'm just having some tea, writing my list. I also got this from Dollarama just so that I can do my little Shinto prayer every day. That's it. Bye.